All right, so we are here on race day number 8 now. This is 7? No, this is 8. Yeah, we are on race 8 of the season. So there's 10 in the season. It's pretty much do or die for me right now. As in, if I don't win this race, the next race, and the race after that, then I don't win the class. So I have to win today and the next 2. But Alex isn't going to be with us today. He's got some other stuff going on in his personal life, so he's not racing. So you're just going to get me and Josh today. But we're about to get into our first runs here, so see what I can do. I think a good time today is like a 53 or 52, so looking for that. Got the Nissan team and the C8s, so it's going to be a hectic day.
Those brakes are fucking massive.
But we'll get at you in the first run here. All right, so first run. Let's see what we can do here. Let's go have some fun, huh?
Yeah, that's fun.
Nah, fuck it, let's go win, huh?
And that 04
Yeah, we got a big class.
As long as you hit less cones than last time, you should be better.
Honestly, I don't think it could get much worse.
I really don't think you could either. Got like my arm veins popping.
Chill out over there.
What?
Chill out. You're not that guy, Bell. Okay?
I
Okay.
ain't that guy. I ain't that guy.
There is launch control in this one, though.
Ooh, fun.
Okay, Adam's about
Time to blow up the Subaru.
first up your
Sounds fun to me.
getting a 54.3, 54.3. Looks like got what you call on one of the codes at the finish, and that is
All right, first run. Here we go.
one driver
Oh, shit.
that is fourth place.
Well, dude, how athletic am I, though? How athletic am I?
Hey, I'm athletic. I kept the camera going to them.
That was crazy.
Your turn signal's on.
Where am I? How did I hit that? Oh, my phone did. Bro. All right, well, so as you guys saw, the phone managed to fall off of my windshield. I actually caught it, though, I think.
I attempted the video, but that didn't work very well.
So, yeah, but now we're into the second run. Obviously, I was a lot slower last run because of the fact that my phone fell and I caught it. So, we'll see.
Just for audio.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit on it.
Yeah, so we're not going to be able to have the phone cockpit mount, but it's no big deal. All right, here we go.
plates out of 11.
Well, clean. He just said a clean run.
No, you hit a cone earlier.
No, he just told me it was clean.
1.7 seconds.
All right, so last run wasn't good either. I got a cone in the slalom. But with that being said, I think I can actually get a decent trophy spot, like third, if I correct that. Just clean it up a little bit, but
Quickly there today.
we'll see. I mean,
Let's
I
see
think
what Ethan can do.
it's going to be a decent run this time. I got the car cooled down, the tires cooled down. But let's see what this third run gives me. I got one more after this anyway, so a little buffer.
Stays in fifth place. And your 11th car, 11th driver, XT.
Yeah.
Brendan McCarthy gets a 54.608. 54.608. Finds a little bit of time, right about 7/10 on there.
All right, well. I don't know. Yeah, just I'm losing the front end, I think. The tires are just not gripping. They're just not gripping. I think I need to inflate the rear.
Inflate it or deflate it?
Inflate. I think I need to run 5 pounds of difference rather than 4.
I tried 6.
No, I don't want it to be too much, but I just can't get it. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I'm just terrible. Who knows? Well, today's just not going as planned. That third run was better, but I just don't have enough grip in the front. I added about a pound of PSI to the rear tires, and so I'm running like 31 in the front, 36 in the back to try and get the back end to slide more and rotate better, but I don't know. Today's just not it, I don't think. I'm kind of shitting the bed, not gonna lie. Kind of doing terrible, but
Just oversend it this time.
if I overdrive, it'll ruin the entire thing. So I just got to stay composed, look ahead, and just do it. So it also is super annoying with these Corvettes. Super annoying. But that being said, we're gonna try and get into this fourth run and try and get something to work. I don't know. See what I can find. But catch you in the fourth run. All right. So we're on the last run. Nothing's really going right today, for me at least. But see if I can pull something out here. I only need to make up like a second. I keep doing random bullshit that keeps getting me all messed up, like missing second gear, dropping my phone, you know, whatever else. So hitting cones. So I'm just gonna go out there and have a good time. We're gonna see what happens. All right, for God's sake, can I just get a good run, please?
So we are back to SA.
All right, here we go. felt better.
Way better.
Fuck.
Oh, well, I was thinking of going.
294 in 2018 S.
Well, couldn't do it. I don't know. Either I suck or something's wrong with the tires. They just die too soon, I think, but whatever. Well, that was disappointing. We'll catch up in Josh's truck, though.
Later.
Well, today was a fail.
Not on my part. I had fun.
I'm glad you had fun. I didn't have any fun. I mean, I did. It was fun, but the course was kind of meh. I was fighting the car the entire time. I did figure out, though, that 36
I think if you would
pounds of PS...
I think if you went 37, 31, it would be better.
Well, 36... The way I had the car set up on the last run, I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it was a lot more, like, slippery in the rear, so the car rotated better, and I could, like, carry more speed. So maybe I need to start doing 5 pounds of difference between the front and the rear tires, but... It sucks that I almost had the Z06s that one time, too.
Yeah, but then they ran a 49, I think.
No, I'm talking about the race where I hit all those cones, like last race.
Oh, yeah.
But, yep, the Z06s are just fast. The car is fast.
The fastest they ran was a 51.4.
51.4, it's pretty quick.
Yeah, you came in 7th to 54.2.
7th out of how many?
7th out of 11.
But how many Z06s were there in the E-Race?
Four, I believe.
4 cars?
Yeah.
So there were 8 drivers. 8 out of 11 were the Z06/E-Ray, like the Corvette people. So GM was 8 out of those 11 people, and to come in 7th though, that means I beat one of them.
Yeah, you beat the
But-
2022 Corvette.
So, hey, that's not for nothing. But it just sucks. It just sucks. But it was fun. It was a good race. I'm making excuses. I'm terrible. We'll get them next time though. So
You need to be on the sim more.
yeah.
That's your issue. I haven't been on the sim as much.
No, I have been, but yeah, maybe the sim does help that much. But well, thanks for watching this video. We're not gonna get Alex today, like I said, because he's out doing some personal stuff. But I'm gonna go take some pictures and post them in the end of this video of my dad and his Mustang, and post some more pictures of my car that my dad took. So, but yeah, thanks for watching this video. Josh, any closing regards? Anything coming up with the trucks?
Oh, the 250 is a piece of shit. Actually, not really. Just needs brakes. Pretty sure the tie rod assembly that we bought was a shitty one.
Are there any videos we're going to be doing though?
I mean, if you come in town, yeah.
Well, other than the brakes for the F-250.
This thing's gonna get a lot of stuff done to it that we can do concluding videos for, but I'm taking it down to my diesel guy sometime in the next month or two to get a bunch of work done to it. More suspension than anything like that, like built tie rod ends, drag link assembly, traction bars. I gotta do leaf spring bushings on it, which are gonna be ass. And getting it set up so I can go pull sleds and do dirt drags. Won't be super competitive the way it sits now, but it won't be competitive racing. It'll be competitive pulling for sure.
There you go. Well,
But
so I think the next video we're gonna do, by the way, is next video might be Alex's motorcycle. We might be making that and turning that thing into a cool motorcycle, and then we might flip it. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.